Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Google Colab is a popular tool for running Python code, but when you're trying to use it for building mobile applications using Kivy and Buildozer, you may encounter the error Buildozer failed to execute last command. This error typically occurs due to a variety of reasons, including missing dependencies, incorrect configurations, or environment issues. Tutorial: Fixing Buildozer Errors in Google Colab. In this tutorial, we'll go through the steps to set up Buildozer in Google Colab, build a simple Kivy application, and troubleshoot the common error. Step 1. Setting up your environment. 1. Open a new Google Colab notebook. 2. Install the required packages *. You need to install the dependencies for Buildozer. Run the following commands in a Colab cell. Python apt-get update. apt-get install ypython 3 pip python 3 dev build essential git. Pip install Python == 0.29.21. Pip install kivy. Pip install Buildozer. Step 2. Write a simple Kivy application. 3. Create a simple Kivy app *. You can create a simple Kivy application. Let's create a file called main.py. Python. Create a Kivy application. With open, main.py, w, as f. f.write. From kivy.app import app. From kivy.ux.label import label. Class myapp, app. Def build, self. Return label, text equals hello, world. If __name _= main __. myapp.run. Step 3. Configure Buildozer. 4. Initialize Buildozer *. You need to initialize Buildozer to create the necessary configuration files. Run the following command. Python Buildozer init. This will create a buildozer.spec file in your directory. 5. Edit the buildozer.spec file *. You may need to modify the buildozer.spec file to suit your application. For example, you may want to change the title, package.name, and package.domain. You can edit the file directly in Colab. Python set is/title equals my application/title equals my kivy app/g buildozer.spec. Set is package.name equals myap package.name equals mikivyup buildozer.spec. Set is/package.domain equals org.example/package.domain equals org.myapp/g buildozer.spec. Step 4. Build the application. 6. Run Buildozer *. Now you can build your application. Run the following command. Python Buildozer v Android debug. This command will start the build process. However, you might encounter the error Buildozer failed to execute last command. Step 5. Troubleshooting the error. If you encounter the error, here are some common solutions. 1. Check for missing dependencies *. Ensure that all the required dependencies for Kivy and Buildozer are installed. You can also check the Buildozer documentation for Android dependencies. 2. Check the Buildozer configuration *. Ensure that your buildozer.spec file is correctly configured. A common issue is having incorrect package names or domains. 3. Run Buildozer in verbose mode *. Running Buildozer in verbose mode will give you more information about what went wrong. Use the command Python Buildozer v Android debug. 4. Environment issues *. Sometimes the Colab environment might not support certain operations needed by Buildozer. If this happens, consider using a local environment or a virtual machine that has the required setup. 5. Check Buildozer logs *. Check the logs produced by Buildozer to identify the specific command that failed. This can help you debug the issue further. Conclusion: using Google Colab for building kivy applications with Buildozer can be convenient, but it also comes with challenges. By following the steps above, you should be able to set up a simple kivy application and troubleshoot common Buildozer errors. If you continue to face issues, consider running Buildozer on a local machine or using a dedicated virtual environment for Android development, as this often provides a more stable setup than cloud environments like Colab.